All right, so here we go. You're gonna update to the beta. So we're gonna hit settings, system, information. You're gonna go view device information. You're gonna hit it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're automatically in beta mode. Afterwards, can come back, check for update available. You're gonna hit update available, and it's gonna start updating 1.0.5 update. To information, check for update, already have it. So we're on update 1.0.5, and that's basically it. All right, so now we go to outputs, right? Settings, outputs, routing, main mix, which is the regular one, main minus, which is the one that we're supposed to have all the time, or custom. And here's how you have it. You can choose. I have microphone 1, microphone 3. I have obviously channel 1, USB. I want it in there as well, and stream. That's basically it. And this is how it works.